Basically, we really requesting everybody involved to restart the mining. Otherwise, I think Vasco, this port, which is actually a port city, that the economy will be badly affected. As it is, iron ore was the mainstay, and that was the main cargo from this port because it's a cargo which is locally available. Now that this particular cargo has been stopped, there are hardly any ships calling the port, and this is going to affect every sector in Vasco town in terms of sale of cars, sale of goods, commodities, petrol, fuel, all these, and stores, supplies, provisions. So I think every sector, whether it's agents, barge owners, stevedores, shops, everybody is affected.
गोवा मायनिंग पीपल फ्रंटान जो बंद म्हणून घोषित केल्लो आयज 26 तारखेक ह्या बंदाक कोडली तिस्कार धारबांदोडा वाठार तशेंच उसगांव तिस्क हो जो टोटल मायनिंग बेल्ट आहा हांगासर सगळ्यांनी दुकानां आपली बंद दवरलेली आसा आनी बंदाक सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. वेरेज आमी फोंड्या पळयता जाल्यार फोंड्या दुकानां चालू आसा, तशेंच बाजारूय चालू आसा, बसी प्रायवेट बसी चालू आसा आनी जी रॅली आसतली ती सांग्या केपेंच्यान दनपार म्हणल्यार आयज उसगांव तिस्कार पावतली. धारबांदोडीच्यान स्टुडंटां खातीर विवेक प्रभू.